World's largest ladder. Look at that. World's largest ladder. Check this out. It's a 60 foot. Right there. 60 feet. 3-stage. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. It's 150 pounds. Just super heavy. This is a 60 foot ladder. Good luck.
Come on.
Woo. This is how you carry a 60 foot ladder. It's amazing. Right, so here's the ladder. Sorry I couldn't record the whole thing, but I had to hold the ladder. 6 people, no joke. So shaky. Another beautiful day. Interesting day yesterday with all the crashes and stuff. Anyway, we got this 4-story building in downtown. So we got ourselves a man lift. We're gonna go through, seal all the gutters, change out one of the downspouts. There's some boards that are falling off. So there's a lot of work ahead of us. So we are changing the downspout that goes around the corner here. So this whole downspout, we're gonna put a large max flow right over there and get that board fixed up. Should be good to go. I think we can reach that building over there. See, I ordered a 65, they didn't have it, they gave me an 85. And these things are just huge. But we're gonna take a look at the gutters. Oh, the roof is not walkable. Ooh. The roof is not walkable. Good thing we have a man lift. Let's take a peek. So they have a lot of leaves.
I need the blower. Did we take the blower?
Mm-hmm.
I'll blow this stuff
Right,
out.
so we got some wood that came loose. We need to get that situated. And we need to put a max flow outlet right here, because we just blew this out. It was clogged. Technically, I would remove all this and install a gutter right to here.
Yeah.
Get rid of all this weirdness.
Yeah.
Because we might need a roofer involved, but oh yeah, it's a one piece. So if you cut this open here, you can have it as a flashing.
Yeah.
That would have been the best scenario, because this is all trash.
Yeah.
Look at that.
New gutters everywhere.
All right, so we're looking at the gutter here. So we're mostly dealing with the interior gutters here, but unfortunately, this little cap could potentially leak inside as well. And we are gonna cut a large outlet in there. Everything's just
simply just a flashing.
Everything's just rusted out. I would remove all these trims and attach the gutter directly to here.
Yeah.
And that would be the best bet. Because this is old, non-functional. It's gonna continue finding ways to leak in. So we did repair it here. We're gonna do some more repairs. You gotta go down and get some more tools. So really tight access. Looks like they've had water flow issues here. But look what we're dealing with. 1, 2, 3.5. And we got bushes in the way. So this man lift is perfect. So the area we're working on is right there. We're gonna cut a nice big hole, put a nice outlet in there. Way easier to do off the man lift. All the way from the parking lot. All right, sealed it up right here in the top. Sealed up the hole. But this stuff is so rusty and there's holes everywhere. The roof is leaking. It is impossible to make it perfect. So we can only do the best that we can. We're gonna install a supersized outlet right in here. And that's all. We're gonna continue sealing this. But yeah, it's all gone, this whole system. All right, got the max flow outlet installed, 4-inch round. This was not possible from a ladder, that's for sure. Had to do all the cutting. These gutters are falling apart. It's horrible. So basically just doing a band-aid. So they put an extra layer of metal, but it's not sealed here, so we're gonna go ahead and reseal it. Making sure the water does not get behind that plate. Just like that. Very nice. We got quite the reach. This is how you flatten the downspout. So, got everything resealed, fixed, max flow outlet, 4-inch round downspout. We're gonna connect back to this downspout. So, it's been almost 4 hours already, and we're still in the back corner here. This was the most difficult part with all the downspouts. Everything else should go a little bit quicker, as long as the car gets moved in the front. So that's how it's gonna be. Big 4-inch, and then we put a funnel right there. So turned out real nice. Let's get going, finish up on the sealers on top. Wow, just half a day just doing this side here, the most critical, but it turned out nice. We're almost there. Without the boom, this would not have been possible. I mean, look at those buildings in the back. We are in downtown after all. All right, got the back done. Looking good. So let me show you what we're looking for in terms of this gutter system that's interior. So what we're looking for is stuff like this, where you see watermarks. So we go to investigate and look at this. We find that it's clogged, okay? So we're gonna clear that out. We wanna make sure it's nice and open. Then we're gonna check for cracks, and it looks like we have a couple of cracks right in here. I don't know if you can see, but water seeps through, and then it comes out right here, right on the outlet area. So let's get that fixed. So I resealed it. There was a couple more cracks right in here. So that should be good. Shouldn't leak no more. Wow, amazing. I'm actually in front of the building now. This thing just goes anywhere you want it. Here's that downspout, nice and flat. So the rest of the house, we gotta reach from the boom to the top of the roof, then tie it off, climb down using the repellent system with a rope harness. So we got up to the top using the boom, and it's actually flat up here, so that's a good thing.
Tony, what are you doing?
We're going down.
Oh, really?
Yes,
Oh, almost dropped my phone.
Hey, don't drop my phone, man.
Oh,
I know this is scary and stuff, but
careful.
just hold on.
Careful, don't drop the phone, Tony. Oh,
We're gonna twist. It's a little sketchy. Whoa.
we're going above the tree.
I almost crashed. Look, I thought he was spotting me. Like he's on his phone.
Oh man,
So
what
I
a spotter.
almost smacked the truck.
Should we fire him? I'm just kidding. Whoa.
It's a blind
Whoa.
spot.
Yeah, just did the gutter adjustment on these things, on these gutters, this house. Kind of old school style, but too hot today to be up on the roof. I'm still like 30 feet above ground. Too much bouncing, Tony. Don't bounce too much.
Working in downtown. This would not be possible if it was raining, that's for sure, because to seal all the seams and stuff, you gotta make sure it's dry. But we're almost done. It's definitely beautiful up here. I'm talking about the weather and the sunlight. But yeah, not afraid of heights for now. And got this one done. It was successful. Took us a while to get prepped, all the materials, but we did it. So we're gonna get back down, park the boom, and head home. Thanks for watching, and God bless.